back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Kobe Lomax. Today I'm gonna be doing a vlog. I got quite a few things to get done today. I think I'm just gonna make this like a cleaning vlog because I realistically am not gonna have time to do all of that stuff, but I definitely do want to clean up my apartment today because my house is crazy right now. I am going to Florida on Sunday, which is in 2 days because today's Friday, to go apartment hunting, and I will be vlogging that so you guys can see because your boy is gonna be moving to Florida in July. So I'm super excited about that. Right now I'm about to make myself breakfast and make the dogs food, and then we'll get started. All right, y'all, so right now I am feeding my dogs. As I mentioned before, they both eat Royal Canine, the poodle mix, because they're both poodles. Don't judge my sink. I just told you I gotta clean up, so be nice. Matter of fact, just close your eyes for a couple seconds. You ain't see anything. But yeah, this was gonna be a vlog, and then as I was recording the video, I was just kind of like, this could just be like a cleaning video, because I know, like, for me, if I need to get up and clean, I'll watch cleaning videos and it will make me want to get up and clean. Next thing you know, my house is clean. So I thought if I could do the same thing, that would be really dope, and I want to start doing these more often. So I'm just making my breakfast right now. Like I said, this video is kind of starting out like a vlog because that was what I was doing, you know. So, and as I told you guys before, I really do be eating the same breakfast every day: eggs, bacon, and Eggos, or eggs and a yogurt parfait. I might change it up eventually, but for right now, like, it's just great. I get my meat, my protein, I get my carbs. And today I had some orange juice because I love orange juice and I love oranges. I'll be tearing some oranges up, y'all. Like, that's my favorite snack. Seriously. After I finished my breakfast and I started cleaning the kitchen, so right now I'm just putting some dishes away that are in the dishwasher. And y'all, I never used to use a dishwasher. Like, at home, my mom used the dishwasher as storage, so I never used a dishwasher. I just washed dishes by hand. But now, like, living on my own and then actually like using the dishwasher a couple times, it really does speed up the cleaning process, and it does help out a lot. I just had to learn the right way to use it because it can get a little tricky sometimes, like depending on what cycle you put it on and what type of detergent you use, and if you're using a rinse aid or not. Like, sometimes like this detergent be stuck on your dishes afterwards, and then I've had a couple times where I'll go to pour like a cup of coffee and then I drink and the taste of the cup tastes like soap or like chemicals, and that's just not good. So I definitely had to figure out some ways to finesse it, and my stepmom taught me some tricks on the best like practices with the dishwasher, so I'll talk about that probably in another video. But yeah, once I actually learned how to use it the right way, like, it really do be coming in handy, you know what I'm saying? It helps out so much and cuts down so much time with cleaning. So here I am just loading the dishwasher again, and I'm dancing around. I always have a jam session when I'm cleaning for the most part because, I don't know, it just makes it way more fun. So now I'm just tidying up and putting things back where they belong. Y'all, that's a big, like, huge key to keeping a clean space that doesn't get dirty all the time, is having a place for everything. Like, if everything has a spot, it is so much easier when you're cleaning because you know where this thing belongs. Like, yeah, it's out on the counter, but I can go put it in its place. And cleaning up, or tidying up, I should say, is just doing that over and over and over again, putting things in their place. So now I'm cleaning the kitchen, and I love the Scentiva. Like, it's from the Clorox brand, but it doesn't have bleach, so it doesn't like damage your counters or anything. But I love the Scentiva stuff because it doesn't smell like that bleachy, nasty, chemically smell. It smells really good. And I look crazy right now wiping the counters. I'm doing the S motion, the S like shape cleaning. I learned it from this cleaning lady. It's like the best for cleaning. If you're wiping the counters in a circular motion, what you end up doing is like wiping the surface clean, but then when you're bringing the towel back around, you're putting the dirt back on the surface. And so when you do it on the S motion, you're just wiping the surface clean and not putting any dirt back because you're moving to a new location and you're holding like all the dirt in a cup sort of in the towel, and it just makes cleaning so smooth and easy. And just, I highly recommend everybody try this. Once I learned it, it changed the game for me. But yeah, so that's how I wipe my counter. So when I get in the kitchen, first thing first, load the dishwasher because that takes a minute to wash, so it can be washing while I'm doing other things. And then my second step when I'm cleaning the kitchen is get everything off of my counters, so that way I can really wipe the counters down. Then I wipe the counters down, and it's also a really good thing to clean from the top to bottom, so that way when dirt falls, it goes down to the ground. And don't ever be afraid to wipe stuff on the ground because you're going to sweep up anyway, or vacuum or mop or whatever you're going to do in your kitchen. you're gonna do it anyway at the end. So when you're going from top to bottom, just wipe the dirt to the ground. You know what I'm saying? So now here I am tidying up this next section of my kitchen slash living room. I live in a small apartment, so like when you walk in the front door, you're in the kitchen kind of, and then if you walk forward a little bit more, there's like this side of the bar, and then behind the bar it's a living room. But yeah, so I just clean up the surfaces, you know, wipe everything clean. Like every surface sees the rag, you know, and then every here and there I'll wet the rag and like rinse the rag, so that I'm just not consistently like wiping dirt around. Like it might be disinfected dirt, but it's still dirt, you know? So I just keep wiping it, and then put everything back where it belongs. And then I don't like having a drying rack out because it drips, like it drips through. So what I do is I just put a towel out, and that's how I like my drying rack. So I just put the dishes after I finish hand washing them. I put them over there, and I just hand wash what I can't fit in the dishwasher, or I hand wash like stuff like pots and pans and stuff like that. I know they have a setting for that in the dishwasher, but I don't know. It just takes up so much space in the dishwasher, and I would rather just like wash them by hand real quick, you know. Sometimes I'll throw a pan or a pot in the dishwasher from time to time, but for the most part, I really do be hand washing them, just because I don't know, I can fit more regular dishes in the dishwasher. Now the dishes are all clean. I also like to clean the sink out too. It's just a nice finishing touch. Don't leave your sink dirty. After that, I am taking the trash out because, you know, I just threw away a bunch of stuff I'm cleaning up now, and I always forget to replace the trash bag. So I started doing it right away. Like before I even take the trash out, just replace the trash bag, you know. And then I also like to disinfect my trash can because, you know, that's a dirty place. Now I'm just putting up a new load of laundry and taking the clean clothes out of the dryer. I like to, whenever I'm cleaning, start this first and then just stay listening to the laundry machines. Once it gets quiet, you know, it's time to switch out a new load, so that way by the time I'm done cleaning, a lot of my laundry is ready to be folded. So you'll see at the end I'll be folding laundry. Now I am tidying up my living room. So I always take these big pillows off because it's just more comfortable when you're laying on the couch to not have them in the way, because they're pretty big. And then I always have to fluff them because my dogs like to sit for some reason on the top cushion of the couch, not on the extra couch, it's on the top cushion, and so there's always a dent. So I'm constantly fluffing them out, and then here I am just fixing the pillows up. And then I'm using this Febreze spray. I love this stuff. It's a lavender scented spray, and it just makes your fabric smell so good. I do it on my couch and I do it on my bed. Next, I am folding up my towels because I just took a load of towels out of the dryer before I started filming. And I roll my towels up like this, so I just fold them in half 2 times, and then I roll them up so that they can go on my little rack that I have in my bathroom. You'll see it in a minute, and I'll have a link down below. I'll have all my like little house handy dandy things linked down below in my Amazon store. If you follow me on TikTok, you've seen this before, but if not, here we go. And then I like to fold my hand towels or my wash rags like this because they go on display. So you fold it over, and then you fold the other side over, and then you flip it. And then after that, you just roll it up like a little taco or something. Not a taco, but like I don't know, something that rolls. You just roll it up, and then you just tuck the end into that little flap. It like naturally creates a little fold right there for you to put it in, and then boom, the wash rag is folded up, and it looks really like nice and presentable. And then I have a basket over my toilet that these go in, and so when guests come over, it kind of feels like a hotel vibe, you know, because I don't know, it just looks really cool. I don't know, I'm always just here for the vibes and the aesthetic. So there go the washcloths, and then the towels go on this rack that's on the wall, and this is linked to my Amazon store below because the people on TikTok kept asking me about it. Hey y'all, so just like that, kitchen is clean, living room is clean, and I always feel better when the house is clean. So now I need to just make my bed, but I can get some work done. Yeah.
Hopefully he is able to work with something now.
Wow.
But I told Mom, I said, I feel like, you know, everything happens for a reason.
Yeah.
So, at the end of the day, this might be a bigger blessing.
Exactly.
But, you know,
So I was just on the phone talking to my sister while making my bed, and she was just saying, like, actually a really good point. You know, everything happens for a reason. Don't really stress about whatever's happening to you. Just kind of embrace it, because you never know what the bigger cause is that's coming from something that's happening. Or just try to remind yourself, like, everything is happening for me, not to me. So yeah, just a little nugget for you guys from my sister. I don't remember what topic we were talking about where that came up, but just a little word of advice, So now I am folding up the clothes, and guys, this is the worst part to me, in my opinion, about cleaning is folding clothes and putting it away. Like, I am happy to do every single thing else, but when it comes to putting clothes away, it's just like I hate it so much. But one of the things that I notice is as soon as I take a load of clothes out of the dryer, if I just go fold it and put it away immediately, like right away, it doesn't feel like too much because I'm only doing one load of clothes, So that's something that I have started doing it, and it's made it less like painful, not painful, but you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't mind doing it now because it's just like, oh, this load came out the dryer. Let me just go ahead and fold the clothes right now, So yeah, that's a little tip. Just as soon as they come out the dryer, just put them away so that they don't pile up, and then you go in a whole week, never even put your clothes away. You getting dressed in the morning, you going through piles of clothes, clean clothes that are in the hamper because you didn't put your clothes away. Like, I'm telling y'all, I've been there. I'm there right now, actually. I need to put a whole bunch of clothes away, but yeah, this is a tip that it does make it better, so I'm trying to practice this more often. As soon as I take my clothes out of the dryer, just put them away. And last but not least, I'm just tidying up my bathroom. I had already cleaned my bathroom, like deep cleaned my bathroom 2 days ago. So I was just cleaning up. It got a little messy because I was doing my hair, and then I did my skincare, brushed my teeth, all that stuff. And then I just be leaving stuff on the counter sometime. I need to put it back where it belongs when I'm done with it. But I'm working on it. I'm getting better. It takes time, but I'm working on it. But yeah, last thing I had to do was just tidy up my bathroom counter and wipe it down again, and then that was it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're looking forward to more videos from me, then be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, if you guys have any recommendations or anything you would like to start seeing from me, definitely drop that down in the comments below, because I would love to make videos that you guys want to see, If you're not following me on Instagram or TikTok, you can follow me there at Kobe Lomax. And thank you so much for being here, for watching my video. I hope that it inspires you to get up and clean something or do something productive. And I will see you in my next video.